Hello guys, are you ready to make money trading boom and crash? Then you need to watch this video to the end, because with this trading strategy I will be sharing with you how you can easily make up to $100 on daily basis. You can even make more than that. It all depends on your capital and how you are able to apply this strategy. So just stay tuned and watch this video to the end, because in this video you're going to learn something new that you have never learned before. Okay, so before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, in order for you, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the trading strategies, and do your own personal practice on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away. So quickly, let's go straight into what we are for today. Okay, so like I said, we will be checking out how we can trade boom and crash. Boom and crash are two different assets that really works very well, and so many people find it difficult to trade. Okay, not until they start experiencing the sudden spikes that happen whenever you are trading, and that is the only thing that scares them off. Okay, but what you should realize that is that you should understand one major thing before you can start trading any of these two assets, and that is the trend. Okay, your trend is always very important whenever you are trading any of these assets. Okay, so if you are able to get the right trend, then you will always milk the market successfully, and this will also help you to know when you can be trapped in the spikes also, or if you want to trade the spikes. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, now let's see how we can make use of this opportunity to trade make use of this strategy to trade these assets. Okay, so quickly, let's see guys. So this is boom 1000. I love using 5-minute time frame. Sometimes it is always very difficult for you to identify the trend if you are not using the right trading tool. Okay, so with this trading tool called 3M Trend Milker Trading Indicator, you will be able to achieve this very easy. And of course you can see around here, this is the resistance zone around here. And of course, when a market is at the resistance zone, there are two things you should look out for: either the CIT or the BRO. Like I've always been telling you, the CIT strategy is always the first thing that should come to your mind, and if that is not working out, then definitely you should go ahead with the BRO. So at this stage you can see the CIT actually worked out, and of course we got this indicator gave us a downtrend signal right from here. You can see that is the beauty of the indicator. That is why we are having this red colored flag. Okay, and of course we also add some red arrows around here, which signifies that the market is on is giving us a sell signal at that particular point. So right here we got a red colored flag around there, and of course we got a red arrow around there, so which means that we should place an order around there. So if we go ahead and place an order around there, then this will give us more opportunity to milk the market right from the beginning of the trend. Okay, and of course guys, immediately you place your order, you still need to secure your capital, and that is why you should have your stop loss placed at the top of the resistance zone right there. Okay, so this actually went into profit, and of course it got to this region. At this region you will notice that here is a support zone, so it's most likely for this not to respect this support zone, or it is also important for us to know that it can also respect it. So of course when it got there, it respected it, but it didn't take too long before it got back there to break out from there. So it got broken and gave us more profit. So immediately this is broken, then you should adjust your stop loss in order to lock up your profit and not to secure your capital again. Okay, so because at that point you don't need it to secure your capital, you only need it to secure some part of the profit for yourself. So I will advise you to keep 40% of the profit right away. Okay, so as this goes down, and of course it got to this region, pulled back, went back down again, and I expect you to lock up more profit for yourself. Okay guys, some of you will ask me, okay, what if I miss out on the first opportunity given? Okay, if you missed out with this first sell arrow that came up from here are some other red arrows that you can take advantage of. Okay, so far it is still on the downtrend, so you can still come in around there, just that you won't make the same profit exactly the same way. I mean, you won't be able to make the same profit with the first order. Okay, so that is it, except if your lot size is bigger than that. Okay, so that is it. And of course, if you want to make multiple orders, definitely after placing an order here is another opportunity for you to place another order. But for each of the order, you should make sure you create your stop loss for each of them. Okay, so all these are very, very important. So at this stage, I want you to readjust your stop loss to about 60% of the profit. Okay, locking up about 60% of the profit, and of course this will give you an assurance that you are going to be having some profit for yourself, even if the market should misbehave. Okay, and of course this actually got to this region and pull back. Okay, went back down again, and of course readjust the stop loss to lock up more profit for yourself. And that is the beautiful part of it. You applying this trading tool and of course the strategy together, combining the two together will help you to make profit all the time. And this is the reason why we have been making lots of profit day after day within the Telegram channel, because we are always there to we are using the right trading tool. We are using the right trading tool, and of course we are also managing the trading activities in order for us to take advantage of the market fully and make more profit for ourselves. Okay, so this is very, very important. So this actually went back up a bit and of course went down to break out from there, and it gave us more profit. What do? You readjust your stop loss to lock up more profit for yourself. At this stage, I expect it to be locking up about 70% of your profits. Okay, so it kept on going down and down, got to this region, had a pullback, went back down again to break out from there. Then you will readjust your stop loss again to lock up more profit, about 80% of the profit this time around. Okay, because the market is already approaching a support zone. Okay, this actually got to the support zone, then you should readjust your stop loss to lock up more. Okay, and of course if it does not break out from the support zone, then definitely it will hit your stop loss and the profit will go straight to your balance. You can see the profit. This is 5-minute time frame and this is huge, and of course it didn't break out below the support zone, so it went back up to break out above the to touch the stop loss, and of course this will have given you a lot of profit at the end of the day. The same thing is applicable to when you are trading spikes, also in boom and crash. Don't worry, in my next video I will use the opportunity to explain to you how you can use this same trading indicator to trade spikes right from here. Okay, don't worry, I will give you a detailed information on how to do that. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.